guys, I am in right now in the Udupi. Now Udupi is famous for the especially the Krishna temple and the food everywhere. The Udupi food is very famous, vegetarian food. Now I'm going to the temple, but before that I have to do breakfast because I'm very hungry. So let's just go. There is a Mitra Samaj, very famous, very old, and Goli Bhaji is very famous. So let's see. So what I'll do, like in morning I cover the temple, and usually in evening I think about the going to the beaches because Udupi is also on the beaches. Now I have to find Mitra Samaj. Okay, I guess I located it. So, and I feel this Udupi is like the road is very broad. It's like Mysore. So yeah. So these are the main Sri Krishna temple, or this is the we got our Mitra Samaj. So let's go in Mitra Samaj. So guys, I am at this called Mitra Samaj. And it's just believe it's started this restaurant in 1949, and it's more than 70 years, 75 years. So I feel like I am in the Vidyarthi Bhavan, like they are still old charm, very the people maintain their quality. And unfortunately, I am in the morning. Today, the Goli Bhaji is not available, so it will start in the evening itself. So I will come in evening itself and will have the Goli Bhaji. But for breakfast, I ordered this dosa and filter coffee, which is classic here. So yeah, and here also is maintain the quality of the stuff. So here you can see like most of the old people are coming here. Uh, so it's nice, and today it's outside very heavy raining itself. So I mean yeah, and one good thing is like I have to start. So let me just show you little bit. This is how it looks like. We got our filter coffee. So I just had a breakfast. I just had have a breakfast and we'll go to the temple first as soon as possible. It is raining, so I have to cover and let's meet you there. So don't forget to visit here if you are in the Udupi. Bye bye. ಈಗ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಸರ್ 47 48 ಇನ್ನೇದಿಲ್ಲ వాళ్ళు అది కన్ఫర్మ్ అయిందా So good afternoon guys, I am in this Malpe beach, Udupi, and this is a famous beach in the Udupi side if you are coming. So this one is the I guess statue, and you can see the Malpe beach. These are the bazaar of the Malpe beach where you can came off. So I mean, so Actually, the Udupi and Mangalore are both are the coastal areas, so you will find the beach each everywhere. So you can see that. Now, as usual, beach is favorite, so who don't like the beach? But there are different kind of beach. So some beach are silent, some beach are the very wide, like the yesterday beach. These beaches are Malpe beach is normal beach. Uh, even we evening we'll go to the what it's called. Evening we go Lighthouse Beach. This nearby beach. So let's see. And there are a lot of things are here. But why these people are giving the nets? I don't get it. So I mean, if the main area is surrounded by the net, so no one can people go there. But yeah, see how cool is this? We'll go surround by that side. I guess. Yeah, beach is everywhere. And there are a lot of scammers also there, so you should be very careful about that. So yeah. Okay, anyway, we are going that side. So let's meet you there. And behind me, so you can see the rain is always here in the June month. So better to prepare with that. But इसका अलग ही मज़ा होता है कि if you coming in the raining season, that's a different feeling. So yeah, I'm going there. I had just had a lunch, fish fry, my favorite fish fry, and then rice and curry. It's awesome. As always, like the beach seafood, you must try. Full of iron, vitamins, different kind of fishes is there. So yeah, I mean, it's afternoon. Time is 2:43 around. So yeah, let's go to that side nearby. So yeah, there are a lot of garbage here. I mean, people are come for the chilling, but they are spreading the garbage. You should avoid that. Especially, you should give the garbage to uh, the dustbin itself. So yeah, and I mean, see, full of the garbage here are. So, but anyway, the weather is cool and the vibe is cool. Tide is very wild. If you see that there are one island is there and there is two island. So if you want to go there, their private jet boat is operating. It will cost you, I guess, 300 to 400. But this is nice. Guys, you won't believe where I am actually. So this is the lighthouse, the Kapu Beach Lighthouse. And oh my god, you see the beauty? See, it's so surreal. And I mean, this is the lighthouse, or this is only open after 4:30, Kapu Beach. And see, so this is like very very good. Only 10 rupees entry for this one. And see, this one is the backwater to going there. These are some boats and surfing, and yeah, these are a lot of rocky tide is going on. Here I am. How cool is this? Isn't it? So I mean, after the raining, it's all the coconut trees are very shining. It's almost evening 5, so you can see how cool is it. And ये मैं I take this what it called chakna or the peanuts, roasted peanuts. It's very nice, and you must come if you are in Mangalore or Udupi side. I mean, see this view, like, oh, this is surreal view. So yeah, I'm enjoying this evening at the Kapu beach. You should come. And then weather is very very cloudy. I don't know when it's raining. Just few minutes back it stopped. So yeah, we are here, and मैं नीचे जाके कुछ खाता हूँ पहले तो, then we'll meet you. Okay. So now I am in the ground floor, and just look at the see how we were there in the top of that, and see the in the ground floor. Now from here is so noisy tide is going on, and yeah, so this is very very nice experience. You know, like I just doing a lot of 3 months back to back, lot of job and things, so I just frustrated, and it's good to take a break, like, and then you come with a double power with preparation. So I just thought, let's just go beach side because I like the beach most, and then I came here, and obviously it's a fully paisa vasool. But if you came in the January season, please 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 do take care of raining. If you don't like rain, then it is very hard, especially the solo people, right? I have the habit to solo traveling, so it's okay for me. But at least you should be take consider a lot of things in monsoon, particularly in this Mangalore side. This is very wild monsoon. So yeah, this is today's update. Tomorrow let's see when my host is waiting at Mangalore itself. So tomorrow, yesterday we have very long party at a pub, big Bollywood pub in the Mangalore. Very nice chill song, and we have a lot of good drinks there. Yeah, very good night. So yeah, this is update, and see the tides. I mean, so hey guys, right now I am in the Manipal. So I am here is the heritage village. This is I get the ticket, and which is very known for the handmade craft, I would say. because Udupi and especially this village are known for the handmade craft. Now you can see behind me, a ticket cost you 300 rupees because it's very reserved and very ancient techniques. So they can see behind my this. Uh, so there are a lot of parts and different kind of um, department of the Hastkala, and I like this vibe, very aesthetics and so yeah. I mean, if you are coming in Manipal, Udupi, you must visit these places. So especially this is very articulated the kala, and you should visit. If you're a student, then you can turn 150. So best place to visit, must come. So the different home from the different century, from like 14th century, 16th century, and then 15th century, Deccan Sultanate, and how the Maratha has the home and how the Peshwa has the home. So it's saying every old home is decorated by, and then how they live. It's showing this village, heritage village. Now the best thing is this is these homes look like my dream home because I love the old aesthetic vibe. See how cool is this. And behind me, so there are, I guess, 30 to 40 home, and those all are uh, showcasing the India's handicrafts. And oh my god, this is so amazing. You guys should come here. Yeah, these all are the handmade craft, like about terracotta, like these are the woods handmade. So on that area is very fascinating. Or you can see that how cute is that home.